Hey everybody! So about 5 minutes ago I received my January nail box and I thought I will unbox it with you. So this is their nail box. Nice handwriting, I love it, so personal. And they always have this pink ribbon. I love it also, every time they put a pink ribbon there. So I'm just gonna take it off. And let's see what's inside. So, okay, so we have a fortune cookie. Next, we have 4 of these fake tips that you can try your polish on. Ooh, let's see what's in there. Okay. Ooh, look at this color. It's pretty. This is blue from Cuccio. I don't know. I seriously don't know how to pronounce that, but it's really beautiful shimmer blue called Private Eye. Nice. I never tried these polishes before. This is Sally Hansen. Oh, pretty purple. I don't know if you can see that purple. Try with the light. I will also in the end insert the pictures so you can see better what the color is. Oh, that's beautiful. I love purple. Ooh, what's in there? So this is Appeal 4. It's a nice green color. Catmint. Beautiful. Never tried it before either. And I think this is the last thing. Yeah, this is the last from Faby, I don't know. It's called Via Montenapoleone, if I say that right. Nice color. It's not that I would wear a lot. It's like brownish, yeah, light brown. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's all. So you have 4 polishes, fortune cookie, and nail tips to try the polishes on. I will try the polishes on these tips right now. So first one, I'm gonna try this one. Look how beautiful it is. I'm really happy about that one. So let's see. Ooh, I like the brush. Big brush. Okay. This is one coat. I already like one coat that basically can be used as one coat. But you know, I love 2 coats. And now I'm gonna have second coat. I really love this color. Wow. So beautiful. So second one is Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. You don't need a lamp for that, obviously. And I never tried them before. This is my first time. Ooh, that's a huge brush. Love it. I love big brushes. I don't know why. First coat. Oh, I love purple. It's my favorite color. It's the first. Pretty good coverage, I would say, from first one. Oh, look at that color. And let's have second coat. Very pretty. Maybe after that I will get a few of these miracle gels from Sally Hansen. They look amazing. They always look amazing, but I never bought them. I don't know why. It's not as dark as it looks. Actually, but you will see in the pictures. I will show you some pictures. The next one we have a pill 4. I'm not sure about his, like, I don't know, like the polish was sitting for some time. I did shake it a lot, but well, I don't know. I don't think it's a huge problem. Let's see. Well, the first coverage you can see it's pretty sheer. Small brush. Let's see and how it's gonna be with 2-1. So this is the second coat. Well, I think this polish requires, well, 2-3 coats, I think. I think it's good for summer, but I can't say it's my favorite color. And the last but not least, this Faby polish looks like this. Oh, now you can see better the color. It's like light brown. Ooh, can't open it. Let's see how it looks. I'm not a big brown fan. Ooh, look at the coverage. Coverage is good. Look at that. Maybe matte. Yeah, also a big matte fan. So actually it looks pretty good. This is the first coat and the coverage is amazing, I would say. Not sheer at all. Pretty. I don't think I'm gonna put the second coat. I just think this one is really good. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. But I think well, it grows on me, I think, and it will grow on me. I think just with really good metallic stamping or like greenish or gold, it's gonna look good. Yeah, I was too fast to judge. I like it. So these are all of them again. The colors are good. Not that I would pick maybe these two myself if I was in a shop. These two definitely, but I can make them work. And well, I told about this one with a nice metallic stamping. It's gonna look good. This one I need to think about it. Well, I think in the summer I can use it a lot as a base with some stamping, and well, I always use stamping, so yeah. So this just 4 polishes this time. So these are all the polishes again. I was really hesitant to get the nail box again because I'm usually a type of person that likes to know what I get, so it was hard for me, but I thought, well, if you don't try, you don't know, because I really loved their December box, and I thought, well, I'll give it a try again. Maybe one more month I will do it, but yeah, we'll see. So here they are, all 3 polishes. Loving this. Not sure about this. Can work this out. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this unboxing video, and I will insert some pictures now. See you soon. Bye.